Welcome back to part 3 of the Shorin Ryu Karate series. So today I'm going to teach you a kata called Fukyugata Ni. It's basically the first kata in Shorin Ryu. You have other styles who teaches another kata before this kata, but it is a basic kata. And if you request to learn that one, I can show you. Otherwise, I want to show with this kata first. But instead of going over the kata, I want to show you some of the combinations. And then I want you to practice along with me. And then in part 4 is when I'm going to do the actual kata. Okay? So let's get with it. And here goes the first combination in Fukyugata Ni. So from here, I want you to stand. This is called yoi. Yoi means ready stance. I want you to do a high block this way. So from here, turn to your left, high block, punch to the face, and then step back, horse stance, low block like that. Okay? Simple as that. Don't do any more complicated than that, because this is a combination. So from yoi, high block, punch, and then down. Okay? Again, yoi, high block, punch, down, block. Okay? So the first one, high block is walking stance. Okay? Walking stance. From here, same thing. Step in a little bit, walking stance again. Just shuffle step a little bit on the foot. Okay? And then step this out, horse stance, and then block. Okay? So we're going to do 5 times of these. Okay? So 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then right when you're done with this here, I want you to step on this side. Now do 5 times on the right side. Okay? Let's do it together. Yoi. Go 1, 2, and back. 1. Okay? High block again. Shuffle punch. And then back. Okay? High block. Shuffle punch to the face. And then back from here. Cross. And then block. Alright? So 5 times on the left side. 5 times on the right side. And try to do a slow pace. And then get into a quicker pace. So slow pace goes like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then medium. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now faster pace. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So get that combination. After you're done with that, then I want you to do from here yoi, chest block. Step up again, chest block. Okay? So from here yoi, chest block, chest block. Again, 1, 2. Okay? Back. 1, 2. Back. Again, just crossing here. Don't bring to the shoulder. Cross here, out, out. Okay, and then back. Here we go. 1, 2. Okay? Back. 1, 2. Back. Here we go. Slow. 1, 2. Okay? And then medium speed. 1, 2. Okay, back. And then fast speed. 1, 2. And then back. Okay, so you just did 2 sequences already, okay? So the first sequence, this, high block punch, low block, and then the same thing, low block. And then the second sequence was 1, 2, okay? Now the third sequence that I want you to practice is a little bit, has a little bit more moves, but just go slow, follow along. So we're gonna start with walking stance like that, okay? And we're gonna make ourselves into a chest block. From here, I want you front snap kick. Okay? Remember, chamber like this, down, elbow, slow. See that? And then from here, crossover, low block, punch. Okay? So let's do it slow. From here, chest block, walking stance, chest block, step up, kick, chamber, elbow, crossover, block, punch. Okay? One more time. From here, chest block, step, chamber, elbow, low block, punch. Okay? Slow again. From here, block. 1, elbow, low block, punch. Okay? Medium speed, kick, elbow, low block, punch. Okay, fast speed. Okay, here goes the next sequence I want you to practice. And that will be from here, walking stance. I want you to hold this way here and chop to the side. Walking stance, chop. Walking stance, chops. Okay, now we're gonna follow with a chest block. So from here, walking stance, chop, step up, block. Okay, right hand chop, okay? Right hand chop, step up, block. Okay, here we go. Right hand chop and block. Okay, again, right hand chop and block. And here we go. Right hand chops and block. Okay, right after this here, now we're gonna do on the right side. We're gonna go kick, elbow, low block, punch. Okay, so let's put all that together. This is a longer sequence. Okay, from here, walking stance, chop, block, kick, elbow, low block, punch. Okay, again, here we go. From here, walking stance, chop, block, kick, elbow, low block, punch. Okay, so we go slow speed, walking stance, chop, chest block, kick, elbow, low block, punch. Okay, medium speed, chest block, elbow, block, punch. And faster speed, walking stance. Okay, all right, so practice that combination 5 times as well, at least. Okay, so that's on the right side. Previous to that was on the left side. Okay, so here goes the last sequence that I want you to follow along in order to complete this kata. Okay, so the last sequence is try to start from here, both legs together, and I want you to do here cross, double block and step back. Okay, here, double block and step back. See that? Here, hand twist this way, double block, step back, pull in here, and you see how this front leg leading, right leg leading, that means right hand underneath, like that. Okay, so from here, double block and back, double throw. Okay, here, double block, double throw. And then from here, I want you to step up like that, leave this hand here. Now switch, block, and then now left leg leading, left hand underneath. Okay, so we step up, 1, right side, 2, left side. 1, right side, 2, left side. So we start again from here, together, double block. I mean step back, double block, both hand and right underneath. Step up, double block, and left hand underneath. So we go slow, 1. Okay, and then now medium speed, 1. And now fast speed, 1. Okay, all right, so those are all the combinations to complete this kata Fukyugata Ni. I hope you practice along. Whatever you don't understand, just go back to the video, go back to that spot of where the combinations are. Practice those combinations, because in part 4, I'm going to take you through this entire kata, and then we're going to work the kata together. But I want you to get used to the pattern first, so that once I show you the kata, you can pick up the pattern right away. Okay, with that, I'll see you in this next video.